So in this video, we are going to understand how to delete the last node of a given linked list. Okay, it's very important because we should understand how to delete the first node and the last node. So in the last video, we have seen the how to delete the first node and we have covered those. So if you have not watched the video, please go and watch. So in this video, we are going to understand the delete last node of a singly linked list. Okay, so let's try to understand how to delete it. The very first, what we need to do, let's think that we have given the same we will keep linked list. Okay, so it will point to the next node and there will be a node. Let's call this node as a 1 and it will point to the next node. Like that we have took, right? And then this point to the null. Remember? Yeah. Now think that what we have given, we have given this head here. Means head, if we have given, we have the linked list information because each node contains the next node information. Okay, what we are going to do, just think that. So what we will do, we'll create what do you call the current, right? Why we will create the current? It's very understandable thing, right? If you not understand this, so it's very tough to understand. Let's think that if we will move the head from here to the next node, then what will happen? We will lose the data, this information. Let's suppose we'll do head.next will come here, head.next will come here. So if the head will reach here, we'll lose this data. Okay, so we will not move our head, but our current will also point to this same node where the head is there, right? From there, our current will move ahead. Okay, so that the data loss will not happen, right? Next thing we need a, let's suppose call previous. Okay, so we'll create a previous. So let's say we have a node which is pointing to the previous and it is initially null. Okay, it means what I'm trying to do, that our current will move ahead. Okay, or what we can do also, we'll remove this from here, right? And we'll say, okay, what we can do is take a previous and previous point to here, previous node, like this. We can do that, right? So if we'll take the previous and current on the same node, then what we will do, our next will keep moving ahead and the previous will also keep moving ahead. Okay, let's think how to move ahead. Okay, let's think that now our current will move from here, right? And it will go to the next node. So how we are going to do? So what I will do, I will remove the current from here, right? And I will keep the current here. Sorry. Okay, the current will come to here, right? Then what we need to do, what I will do, I will also set the previous from here and it will also move to the here. Okay, so we'll remove from the here previous, right? And we'll say, okay, this is our previous. Okay, means our previous will also move together. We'll keep doing that until, let's suppose, we'll reach to the last node. Okay, so when the current will move to here, let's suppose that now our current will move from here and current is reaching to here. Okay, when the current will reach here, now what we will do, that our, when we'll reach the last, right, means we'll say, okay, what is current? So current, when we'll see current dot next is null. If current dot next is null, at that time we'll break this position. Means previous dot next we will set as a null. Okay, and what we will do, we know that this is our current that contains our all the information, the deleted node, right, information, because we have to return this, right? So this is our last node, and so we have to return it. Okay, I hope you understand. Let's try to understand through the code so you will understand easily. Okay, so let me maintain this. Okay, and we'll do again. Okay, what we will do, we can do again. Okay, so let's first write the code so we'll understand. So what we are going to do, we'll create public. Okay, then we'll say list node. So we have to return the list node, deleted one, and method is deleted node, deleted last node. Delete last node, give the name delete last node. Okay, and here what we will have given, list node is head. Okay guys, simple. Similarly, that we have seen already, we'll do similar. We'll make a condition and we'll say, okay, if our head is equal to null, or if we'll say head dot next, right? If next node that we want to delete is also not available, means there is only one node, or not, or head is also null, means we'll say, okay, in both cases what we will do, we will return the head, because there is no two node is there, right? So if one node is there, so we will not delete. Okay, otherwise we'll remove sorry, if there is no node is there, if one node is there also, we will remove will return the head only, because we have to remove the deleted one, we have to return the deleted one. Okay, otherwise if you don't want to delete, you just do the return. Okay, so now what we will do, we'll create what we are creating, right? So we have seen that we will create one current is also here and the previous is also here, right? That we have seen. Okay, so the same thing we will do here also. Okay, so we'll say, okay, let's create some nodes, list node, and the list node should have been current, right? And it will start from where, at head. Then we'll say, okay, what is the list node? We'll say list node, it is previous. If it is previous, it should start from where? It should start from null. That we have already seen, right? Previous is null. Then we have to move our current, keep adding, we have to move, because current was here, so next it will move here, next it will move here, right? Like that we have to move. It means what we want a while loop, right? And we'll say if current dot next, if current dot next, give me 1 second, doesn't looks good. So current dot next, if current dot next not equal to null, till that we have to move, right? If you see here, current dot next is coming, then we are removing that previous, right? So we will not do that thing right now. We'll first move our previous ahead. So we'll say, okay, first maintain the previous to the next node. So we'll say previous equal to current, because we have to, right? So we are maintaining if current dot next not null. So very first node that we have already seen, that previous we have set here, right? At the very first beginning we have set here, right? Why? Because the current dot next, this node is not null. In that case we will set first here. Then if we will set the previous here, so current will move here, correct? That same thing we will do. Okay, so what we will do, we'll say, okay, previous set to the current. Now we have to move our current. So current we will move now. Will current equal to current dot next. Okay, so we'll move our previous first, so we can hold the current, and then we will move the current to the next node. Understanding? Are you understanding or not? Then we'll say, okay, once you reach till here, the last node, the 11th node, right? Means our previous at 1, but current moved to here. Means previous, let's suppose, is maintaining. So when the current was here, right, we have set the previous first, and current move from here to here. So previous was here, current was here. Okay, then what we have done, our current we have moved here, but before moving we have updated previous here. So you see previous is here. It means as previous came here, the current will move from here to here, right? That thing we have already done. So as soon as you reach this line, means previous reaches here, right? What we need to do, we will update our current from here to here. Okay, so what we will do, we'll take this previous, here itself, and current we already move, and we have seen that current next is null. So we will break this while loop, right? So we are out of the while loop now. It means the current dot next is null, means we will say, okay, if that is the condition, if previous if current dot next is null, means previous dot next should be null now, means break the link with the both node and return current, and current is our last node. Okay, are you understanding what we have done? As soon as you reaches here, the current reaches here, it says the next node is null, so we'll break this will break. So previous will remain here till here, right? And current will move here. Okay, and the current you will return it. So this is what we have to do, guys. In case if you're not learning, you're not understanding, please reach out to me. Please do some ping the message and let me know so we can understand here. Okay, if you're not understanding, right, the next part that I'm going to create these two video into one video in Hindi. Okay, let me do
Thank
that.
you guys. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and let us know what you want to learn next in the comment below. And thank you for watching this video.